how to use an auto clicker app on Android device. So let's see here. First of all, in order to use the auto clicker app, you have to get installed from the Google Play Store. So first of all, open your Play Store, and here in the search bar, tap and search for the auto clicker automatic tab. As soon as you search for that, you will get the app auto clicker automatic. You have to install it, and after installing, tap on open. So here the accessibility service is described to get permission, and if you want to watch tutorial on how to use that, you can also tap on watch tutorial option and see how can you use that. Here tap on OK, and in the second option you can see the auto clicker. Tap on that and tap on use auto clicker option and turn it on. After that, you can see here the single target mode and multi-targets mode. The single targets mode helps you to tap on the single area, then the multi-target modes help you to tap on the multiple areas. So here you can enable the option according to your wish and interest. So first of all, tap on the enable option. So here in the left corner you can see you can play and pause the option, and the ring can be placed any way that you want the area to be tapped. And in this way the multi-target mode also can be enabled and disabled whenever you want. So in this way you can use the auto clicker app on your Android device. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any kind of tutorial videos on any topics, then don't forget to comment down below. Thank you for watching till the end.